Oh, hi.
Level 1, 8 count with Peter and Naomi on Thursday nights.
That's right, y'all rocked it. We just did a lot of good swing out stuff. Here's my leader swing out stuff. Get out of here. We talked about how at the end, you want to be kind of like this, not like this. Boo, yay. You get that feeling there. That's that get ready feeling at the end of the swing out that makes the next thing ready. So when you go here, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, gotta make sure you turn around enough to get back to where you started. That'll really help the next thing happen.
Followers, we learned twist tonight. So remember, they're still walking. We're going right, left, both hips working, and our upstairs is quiet. So in our 8 count, so you can practice 5, 6, 7, 8. We went 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. And I said it's extra credit if you get a little ready. 1, 2, but you don't have to. And you practice it moving around. Then we practice it with our partner.
That's right, and we did some practice like this where we did a swing out, hey, and then twisting right there. I do 8 count.
2, 1, 2,
Get ready.
1, 2, 1, 2.
And she's twisting for 8 counts.
Hey.
And also the next 2 right here.
1,
She keeps
2.
it going to get that practice. We did a little move today. We did glide to the side, everybody. So we went half swing out, and then you glide to the side. Half swing out, and then you glide to the side. Just so you know, once we got here, starting here is great. Same shape will get your partner back in, leaders, and they'll send them back out. Everyone's doing a great job with that stuff. We'll do some more next week. Hey, 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 ah.